Security footage from a service station on Presidente Medici Avenue in Timon, Brazil, captured a terrifying moment caused by a complete disregard for safety protocols. While a fuel tanker was offloading fuel, a man seated nearby casually struck a lighter to smoke. The open flame instantly ignited invisible fuel vapors, triggering a sudden flash fire that swept through the seating area and raced toward the tanker truck. As bystanders fled to safety, a quick-thinking employee rushed in with a fire extinguisher. Thanks to their rapid response, the flames were suppressed before reaching the main tanks, preventing a catastrophic explosion. This incident is a stark reminder that smoking at a gas station is strictly prohibited. Fuel vapors are highly volatile and can ignite instantly. Always follow safety signs. One moment of carelessness puts everyone at risk. This video serves as a powerful reminder of the hidden dangers of disregarding safety protocols in the workplace. The footage captures an individual attempting to demolish a ceiling structure manually without the necessary safety measures or protective equipment. By standing directly beneath the active work zone, the individual placed themselves in a high-risk situation. In an instant, a large section of the structure gave way, causing a massive collapse of debris and a thick cloud of dust. This moment highlights how a split-second decision to bypass safety for the sake of speed can lead to a near-catastrophic event. The key lesson here is to prioritize safety over speed. Shortcuts in construction often lead to irreversible consequences. Proper risk assessment and maintaining a safe distance using specialized tools are vital to ensuring everyone stays safe on the job site. This video offers a critical analysis of workplace safety, centered on the principle of keeping your eyes and mind on the task. The footage illustrates a team working around machinery with moving components where a lack of synchronized focus between the operator and support staff led to a dangerous misalignment of actions. A fundamental error occurred when a worker's eyes were not on the task, failing to observe the machine's path or identify potential pinch points. This lack of awareness, combined with a mind not on the task, delayed natural reflexes, making it impossible to react as the process deviated from safety protocols. Essential lessons include maintaining pinch point awareness, ensuring clear team communication before operating machinery, and committing to the eyes and mind principle. Ultimately, safety relies on the unwavering focus of every individual. This footage captures a high-stakes safety incident within a manufacturing facility when a worker was unexpectedly struck by a heavy object falling from an elevated area. The force of the impact caused the individual to fall to the ground instantly. Fortunately, because the worker was strictly adhering to safety protocols by wearing a certified hard hat, the direct impact was significantly cushioned, preventing a much more severe injury. Colleagues on site reacted immediately to provide assistance and ensure the worker's well-being. This incident serves as a powerful reminder of why workplace safety standards are non-negotiable. In any industrial environment, unforeseen risks are always present. Wearing proper PPE is more than just a company rule, it is your final line of defense. Never underestimate your gear, as staying vigilant can truly make all the difference in a split second. This video highlights a critical safety incident where a worker was unexpectedly struck by a heavy object falling from an elevated area. The impact was sudden and forceful, but because the individual was strictly following safety protocols and wearing a proper hard hat, the equipment absorbed the brunt of the force. This prevented a far more serious injury and allowed the worker to receive immediate assistance from nearby colleagues. This scene serves as a powerful reminder that workplace hazards can emerge in an instant. Personal protective equipment, PPE, is not just a requirement. It is your last line of defense in an industrial environment. Always prioritize safety and stay vigilant, as wearing the right gear can make a life-changing difference in a split second. This footage illustrates a high-stakes industrial safety incident occurring while a pressurized pump system was in active operation. A sudden and powerful release of pressure caused the equipment to fail abruptly, resulting in a forceful blast that sent nearby workers fleeing for safety. Fortunately, despite the intensity of the event and the immediate chaos, all individuals on site managed to escape the area without sustaining any injuries. This incident serves as a critical reminder that mechanical systems under high pressure require constant monitoring and rigorous maintenance. It underscores the importance of maintaining a safe perimeter around active machinery and having clear emergency exit paths established at all times. Prioritizing equipment inspections and safety training is essential to preventing such unpredictable failures and ensuring the continued well-being of every team member in the workplace. While working in a professional workshop setting, a technician attempted to use a high-speed power tool to cut the lid off an empty blue metal drum. The moment the cutting tool made contact with the metal, a sudden and powerful explosion occurred. The sheer force of the blast sent the worker into the air and knocked him unconscious upon impact with the ground. This incident serves as a critical safety warning. Attempting to cut, weld, or apply heat to old metal drums is extremely hazardous, especially those that previously contained chemicals, fuel, or flammable liquids. Even if a drum appears empty, residual vapors trapped inside can ignite when exposed to sparks. To ensure workplace safety, never modify sealed containers without professional inspection and proper degassing. Always follow strict safety protocols and prioritize training to protect yourself from accidents. In this video, a man is seen focusing on a large metal drum in the middle of a roadway. Due to a lack of situational awareness and the absence of safety barriers, a large front-end loader approaches from behind unnoticed. Because the man is positioned directly within the operator's blind spot, the heavy machinery collides with him, pulling both the individual and the drum underneath the vehicle. Although he shows signs of movement afterward, this highlights a high-risk safety failure. This serves as a reminder to follow strict safety protocols, maintain 360-degree awareness in active zones, stay out of equipment blind spots, use proper signage or spotters, and ensure operators perform perimeter checks before moving. Neglecting these measures for even a moment can lead to preventable accidents, so workplace safety must always be the priority. The footage captures a group attempting to maneuver a massive water storage tank over a high wall. Instead of utilizing professional equipment, they relied on manual strength to stabilize the tank from below. Due to the tank's immense size and awkward weight distribution, they lost control, and the container toppled onto those beneath it. This serves as a critical reminder of workplace safety. Never underestimate gravity, as falling objects gain dangerous momentum regardless of material. Prioritize proper equipment like pulleys or ropes, rather than just manpower for bulky loads. Always maintain a safe zone by staying out of the line of fire and establish a clear perimeter. Most importantly, plan before you move. Failing to assess risks can turn a routine task into a serious accident. This footage captures a machinist operating a heavy-duty industrial lathe when a massive steel shaft, rotating at high velocity, suddenly dislodges due to mechanical failure or improper securing. The extreme centrifugal force sends the heavy bar flying, striking equipment and creating a shower of sparks, while the operator narrowly escapes the high-risk situation. This event highlights critical safety lessons. Always perform routine technical inspections of components like chucks before startup to prevent catastrophic failure. Operators must strictly adhere to load and speed limits, as dynamic imbalance at high RPM is a primary cause of workpiece ejection. Always maintain a safe positioning zone and utilize shielding to protect against malfunctions. Finally, recognizing early signs like unusual vibrations allows for timely emergency stops before accidents occur.